Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my morning cleaning routine. I pretty much do this every single morning. As I'm filming this, it is actually a Saturday, so it's a little bit more relaxed and spread out compared to when I do it during the week before work. But yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel, I would love to have you, and let's get on with the video. So the first thing then that I like to do is come downstairs and open the curtains, and it's actually a really hot day today, so I'm going to open the windows nice and wide as well. As I mentioned earlier, it is actually a Saturday, so I managed to get dressed before doing the cleaning, but if it was a weekday, I probably would just be doing it before getting ready. So I'm just going to prepare George some breakfast. He can just sit nicely and watch a little bit of TV whilst he eats his breakfast. It is Saturday, so it's treat days. He's got a chocolate brioche for breakfast with some water, and he's watching his favourite Mickey Mouse's Clubhouse. So whilst he watches that, I'm going to crack on with some cleaning. The first thing that I'm going to do is empty the dishwasher and put everything away where it needs to go. So next is the washing. So I'm going to bring down all the washing from the upstairs washing basket downstairs, and I'm going to add in a Fairy non-bio pod and then also some Lenore Unstoppables as well. This is my perfect washing dream team. I just feel like it works really well. Really good for George's skin and smells amazing as well. So I'm going to load the wash machine up. I know I'm not separating my colours. I'm really guilty of that unless it's something delicate, so don't judge me. So I'm just going to pop that on a 2-hour wash, and whilst that's washing, I'm just going to take everything out of the tumble dryer that I had on last night, and it just finished whilst I was in bed reading my book. So I'm just going to fold all of that up, pop that in the washing basket, ready to take up in a little bit. Now it is time to make my bed. So during the weekday, this is something I do a little bit different. During the weekday, I probably make my bed the first thing in the morning. I like to get that done as soon as I get up. However, like I said, it is Saturday, and that is my partner's day to have his lay-in. So he is up now, he's downstairs with George, and my lay-in day is Sunday, so that'll be me tomorrow. But Sunday is sheet washing day, so I'll wash the sheets on Sunday. So I'm just going to make the bed, add the cushions, and then I'm also going to add some Febreze to the bed as well, just to freshen it up and make it smell great as well. And I also do have the windows wide open in the bedroom as well, just to air out the room. So moving on to laundry then, I'm going to bring up that massive pile of laundry I had downstairs. I'm then going to fold it into different piles, so a pile for George, a pile for me, and then a pile for my partner as well. And then I'm also going to make a pile for things like towels and bed sheets, anything like that needs to go into the airing cupboard. Once I put this all into the right piles, I am then going to pop it all away where it needs to go. Okay, so bathroom time, and I'm just going to pop everything away where it needs to go, like the shampoo and conditioner, since we have had showers this morning. The bathroom is actually relatively clean compared to what it normally is in a morning time, so all I feel like I need to do in here this morning is just add some Harpic bleach. This is the pine scent, and it works incredibly well. I saw it in Mrs. Hinch's Instagram, and yeah, it does wonders for my toilet. And then I'm just going to pop a nice fresh clean hand towel on the handrail. So as you can see here, this is the state I wake up to in George's bedroom. So we have recently moved him from a cot into a cot bed, and obviously there's no sides except for that bed guard, but it means he can climb out. So when I wake up in the morning, I just find all these toys in the hallway and in his room where he's played with them overnight or early in the morning whenever he's got up. So I'm going to just sit and give his room a nice clean. So as you just saw a minute ago, opened his curtains, also opened the window just to air it out, and then also make his bed as well. I'm going to pop this amazing, massive hungry caterpillar that my cousin got George for one of his birthdays, or Christmas I think it was, which he absolutely loves. That just sits at the end of his bed. And then as you can see, there is some washing or some clothes that he has got out of the cupboards. So I'm just going to pop that in the hallway ready to take down for another wash. And then I'm just going to sit and pop all of his toys in his toy basket. I don't know if you can see, but there is just so much plastic from toys that he had like 2 years ago, and I just don't know where parts of it are now. So I think what I am going to do is I'm going to do a deep clean of George's bedroom and do like a big clean with me and organise with me, and just get rid of so many toys that he doesn't actually play with anymore. I'm not sure if charity shops and things are actually taking toys during the current situation, but I'm going to give it a go anyway. So yeah, like I say, popping all the toys away and just giving it a nice general clean up. I love this clip here of George. He is just staring at himself in the camera viewfinder, and he is just the most gorgeous little boy in the world. I love him so much. So I'm going to clean all the mess up. Sorry, he completely distracted me there. I'm going to pick all his toys up and pop them away. We are about to head out in about 20 minutes time. So I'm just going to make it nice and clean because I like to come home to a nice clean house. So I'm going to pop all the toys away and then just take my trusty Henry Hoover to clean the front room. I'm really hoping to invest in a cordless Hoover. I think it would just really help me and benefit me, so I'm saving up for a Dyson Hoover, or trying to convince someone to buy me one for Christmas, which is a really boring Christmas present, I know, but mum life. So yeah, I'm going to hoover all that, and then I'm going to come over here and clean our dining room table. So this sort of turns into like a bit of a junk table, or just somewhere where we put stuff, and then at a certain point in the day I'll just go through it and organise it and put everything away where it needs to go. So I'm going to sit and do that, and then I'm going to take my Method spray cleaner and a cloth and give the table a nice clean. Next up is some washing up. So everything from breakfast, any glasses that I've had overnight or any mugs or anything like that, I like to sit and wash it up by hand. Obviously we have got the dishwasher, but I like to keep that as empty as possible for lunchtime and for dinners, so I can just use it throughout the day, so there's not as much washing up to do later in the evening. And the last thing I like to do then is take my Method spray cleaner again and just give the kitchen sides a wipe down. As I'm filming this, I can see there are so many crumbs under that toaster and it is stressing me out, so I'm now going to go and clean that. So that is today's video then, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you as a viewer. It's free to join, and I post motherhood, mostly cleaning videos, but I like to post motherhood and lifestyle videos as well. So like I said, if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing, like today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, bye!